So if the United States is moving in the right direction on many of the fronts that you mentioned, why is it increasingly difficult to persuade young people to join Foreign Service, and why is it increasingly difficult to keep the Foreign Service talent that we already have?
When I was in college, there was a man who was president of the United States named Ronald Reagan. And some of my classmates at Tufts said, oh, how can you work for that man? He's waging war in Central America. And the policies that he put forward, I think, helped end the wars in Central America. And more importantly, the nearly 30 years of public service that I've enjoyed and had the ability to serve my country in have gone from Republican president to Democratic president to Republican president to Democratic president. And it's about serving your nation and upholding your oath to the Constitution. That has been the commitment of service, and I look around the room and there are a number of colleagues who served either in the Foreign Service or as ambassadors, and that's a feeling of helping your country that never gets old and never goes away. There are always cycles in public service. Many of my colleagues in the room will recall in the 1990s, there was significant reduction in the size of the Foreign Service and a number of senior people left. Shortly thereafter, we grew again, and we rallied to take on the challenge of the post-September 11th world. These things run in cycles, and I know that if you choose a career in public service, you will be rewarded. You will find it a powerful and heartening experience. Just take the exam. It's easy.